Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I got a 2013 Harley Davidson Street Glide I want to show you. This thing's really sharp. It's got the midnight pearl paint on it. In the shade it looks black, but out here in the sun you can see it's just loaded with, looks like blue and silver flake. They took the tank badging off of it, so it's a smooth tank there. It looks like might be a tiny little rock peck right here. Got a 103 motor and a 6-speed. Bag looks real nice. Got a detachable backrest on it with the docking hardware here for a luggage rack or a detachable tour pack. Got upgraded exhaust, RC exhaust. Good tire on the rear. All the paint looks good back here. Bike's in nice shape. Got the sculpted windshield, Harley Davidson windshield. Front fender looks real nice. Might be just a couple of tiny little rock pecks on there. Good tire on the front. Got an engine guard, heavy duty oil cooler. Bike's only got 2,940 miles. It's not even warmed up. AM, FM, CD, electronic cruise control. Bike's got anti-lock brakes. These mufflers have a real good sound to them. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about this motorcycle. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This one qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We ran it through our shop and checked it out, so it's ready to go. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.